Intense. She's a very intense woman.
You can't let her dictate this kind of stuff, you know? Why have you told her? You told Sandy, right?
I mean, not the rest of it.
Sandy doesn't know?
Not yet.
Sandy's moving back to town. I gotta go to Vegas and do this. What?
You don't know what you're doing.
Yes, I do.
Don't put a lot of money in Vegas.
Anyway, she really likes me as your assistant. I don't know how Ruby's gonna feel about, me as Dad's girlfriend.
I think she'll be excited about that.
I think it'd be scandalous if you and I went to the office now. We should let him figure it out. Actually, maybe I need
What's happening? We just put the stress on.
No, me too.
Well, mine's with a client, so I cannot be late. I think I should go in first.
Crap.
Amber, I have to ask, is this the pregnancy you want? I know this is hard, Amber. For any reason, this isn't a pregnancy you want.